how do you make videos? Now, yeah, I thought this was a cool video I did to show you how I make videos. Well, first I go and record, kind of like this, not really, and then, well, yeah, I'll record and probably Minecraft on a different game with OBS, which I'm going to do right now. I can basically do anything with OBS. Here. This looks quite funny. Oh no, I don't know where the corner is. This is the corner. I can even do this. Hello. I can do really just anything if I go like this. And we're in Minecraft. Yep, we're in Minecraft. So I just go on let it record, I guess. Just how I usually do it. And then the boring part begins, because then we have to edit it with shortcut. That's the name. So here we're going to type in well, let's go as how to make a game video. And click on start. And yeah, that's it. Then we get to a really fun part, I think, is making a thumbnail. So you go to uploads, this is just some old stuff and my face. We could put my face in this thumbnail. This is actually going to be the thumbnail of the video. By the way. That's that there. Then we like this. Nah, we don't want that. We go to backgrounds. This is Canva.com. It's totally free, not sponsored or anything. I just use it. We could use something bright, colorful. How about this? It's pretty cool. Now we can go to text. It's in Dutch. Hope you don't mind that. Now I do this, and then can go to elements. There's a lot of elements I can use. I normally use this color. Now, and here we have the thumbnail. Then I just download it, and then we're done. Now comes the uploading part. So here you can actually see my subscribers and stuff. This is YouTube Studio. I can go to analytics and stuff. But just videos, here you can see all my videos really. Last video hasn't done isn't doing very well. Not really a problem for me. This video is doing very well. Now what we do now is go to make and upload really. I can't do that right now because I don't have a file to upload, but yeah, and that's basically how I do it. Very short video, kind of busy with school this week, and yeah, I didn't feel like making a gaming video. This is just something easy in between, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!